at sum number 10. What is given? You are given 176 ohm resistors. How many resistors? I don't know. Okay. These resistors are to be connected in parallel in a circuit so that for a voltage of 220 volt, I should get 5 ampere current. Try to understand the diagram. Voltage is 220 volt, current is 5 ampere, and this 176 ohm resistors are to be connected in parallel. So this is the V I am going to use. This is the I am going to use. When I use this V and this I will get R equivalent. Okay. Using that, I have to find out how many such resistors I should connect of 176 ohm so that I get that R equivalent, which will give me a current of 5 ampere across a voltage of 220 volts. So first, using V2 is equal to IR or Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R, I can get R equivalent. So therefore V is equal to I into R, 220 is equal to 5 into R equivalent is equal to 220 upon 5, 44 ohms. Now how many 176 ohm resistors are to be connected in parallel so that their R equivalent becomes 44 ohms? So you have the value of R equivalent which is in parallel. So 1 upon R equivalent is 1 upon R1, 1 upon R2, 1 upon R3. Let n resistors be there. So it will go up till 1 upon Rn. So therefore 1 upon 144 is equal to 1 upon 176 plus 1 upon 176 plus 1 upon 176 up till n times. So denominator is 176, same. So it will become 176 and you are adding 1 n times. So when you add 1 n times, you get the answer n. So you get 1 upon 44 is equal to n upon 176. So when you cross multiply, 176 upon 44 is n is equal to 176 upon 44, n is equal to 4. So 4 such resistors are to be connected so that a current of 5 ampere will flow through a circuit of voltage 220 volts. Okay, please note down this sum. Now let us look at 11th sum, and this is a very important sum. What is given? There are 3 resistances. R1 is 6 ohm, R2 is 6 ohm and R3 is also 6 ohm. And you have to connect them so that you get R equivalent as 9 ohm and R equivalent as 4 ohms. When such sum comes, always remember, if you are connecting all of them in series, you will get the total of the combination. And whenever your answer is less than the smallest, then possibly all of them will be connected in parallel. If the answer is between, then there will be a combination. Now what are the combination possible? 3 resistances are there. I am connecting all of them are in series. I am connecting all of them in parallel. 2 resistances are in series which are connected parallel to the third resistance, and 2 resistances are in parallel which is connected in series to the third resistance. These are the 4 combinations which are possible. They are asking me to get 9 ohms. To get 9 ohm, I will have to arrange this way. 2 resistances are in parallel which will in turn be connected in series with the third resistance. So you get R1 and R2 in parallel which are in series with R3. So what will be, if they are in parallel, what will be? I am naming the parallel combination as R12 combination. So 1 upon R12 will be 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. 1 upon R12 is 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. 1 upon R12 is 2 upon 6, 1 upon 3. Therefore R12 is 3 ohms. Now this combination, basically if I draw the circuit diagram again, this resistor diagram, this combination becomes 3 ohms and I have the next resistor 6 ohms. So next, now R12 and R3 are in series. So what will be the combination of R1, 2, 3? Will be R12 plus R3. So 3 ohms plus 6 ohms which is equal to 9 ohms, which was my requirement. Okay, so this combination you will have to do to get R equivalent is 9 ohm. Please note down this. In continuation with the same sum, we want R equivalent as 4 ohms. So what will be the combination? The combination will be 2 resistances will be connected in series and that combination will be connected in parallel with the third resistance. So let us see the calculations. R1 and R2 are connected in series and that combination is connected in parallel with the third one. So what will be R12? They are in series. So it will be R1 plus R2. R12 is R1 plus R2, 6 plus 6, which is 12 ohms. R12 is in parallel with R3. So therefore, 1 upon R123 is 1 upon R12 plus 1 upon R2. What is value of 1 upon R? What is value of R12? It is 12 ohms. So it will be 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 6. You have to make the denominator same. So 6 into 2 into 2. So 1 upon R123 is 1 upon 12 plus 2 upon 12. Answer is 3 upon 12. Correct? So see, these two resistors, when they are equivalently connected, their resistance becomes 12 ohms. If I remove these two, the diagram will be of this form. This 12 and this 6 are in parallel, so their equivalent will be 4 ohms. So when I calculate this way, I get R123 is 4 ohms. So this is the final answer. Always remember, when there are 3 resistors, you will have these combinations. Remember them and you will get the answers. Please note down this sum.